Welcome to Granny's Bakery. I can't wait to take you inside and show you this adorable establishment. They've been here about a year, but what you may not know is that the owner of this company is only about 25 years old. Her granny inspired her to start this business. Let's go inside and meet Michaela, the owner of Granny's Bakery. Okay, we are inside Granny's Bakery. Brand new, mostly new. Well, yeah. I'll let you talk. With the owner and inventor of all things Granny's Bakery. So tell us a little bit about your business. And I just got to hear your story, so I'm excited to get to share that with everybody.
Yeah.
So tell us about your...
So I'm Michaela. I'm the owner of Granny's Bakery. The storefront's been open for a year plus now. We started a company in 2020 with selling cake slices out of toasted walnut and tender.
I love that. So
yeah.
You get to... She actually does that with a lot of the local restaurants here in the community. So you don't even, I mean, it's way more fun to come in here.
Yeah.
But you can also get her delicious, which I just had one of your
edible cookie doughs. Yeah.
That was pretty amazing. You know, if I'm gonna tell people to eat local, I gotta
do it too.
Eat local. So
of course.
Yeah. Anyway, okay. Where did the name come from though?
So my granny is the person who kind of harvested my love for baking. We always did it growing up, and it was just kind of like our therapy and our thing. And my sophomore year of high school, she got really sick. She got breast cancer, lung cancer, pneumonia at the same time. And I lost my baking partner, and we always talked about doing this together. So when she passed, I was like, we can't do it together, but I'll do it for you. And so I got to name it after her, and so it was really cool.
That.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
So.
Well, we're not gonna cry now. So we're standing inside your bakery. You have some really fun personal things that I now know the story behind, which makes it way more fun. So I want you to know this when you guys come in, because you've got to come check this place out. You have a car behind you.
Yes.
Inside the store. So tell us about your car.
So this lovely thing right here, that's Bubbles.
It has a name too.
Yes.
Okay, we have Bubbles. I love that.
Bubbles is my first car when I was 16. So if you come in, you'll see some of the original dents. The windshield is still cracked. You know, all the things
why fix it if you're going to put it inside a museum?
Right, it's me, you know. So Bubbles is in the car, and in the bakery, and I wanted people to have that piece of me here. Like, she was so iconic to me in high school. So I was like, everybody who knew me knew I was driving Bubbles and saw me just driving. So I was like, oh, I love it. And another fun piece is one of my best friend's portraits is like sitting right there when you're looking into the car. She passed our summer after senior year. Wow. And I wanted to just kind of pay my tributes to her. And yeah, we knew each other from pre-K to high school. We were really close, and so it's kind of like my little thing for her, and it's the last photo we took together in that car. So it's kind of a cool little thing. If you see it, you see it. If you don't, you don't, you know.
Yeah, it's kind of one of those fun little things that's tucked in there. And she loved butterflies, so you have a butterfly.
Yes, so her little thing after she passed was butterflies, and they're purple butterflies. So the one that's hanging on my mirror is like a rainbow one that, like, when it hits the light, you see the rainbow kind of thing. So it's kind of cool.
That is very cool.
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah.
Well, we're actually standing in one of your party room or your entertainment room. What do you call it?
Party room.
Party room. Okay.
Yeah, that's my room.
I don't know if you can see this, but I just caught this a minute ago. There are whisks hanging from the chandelier. This is so cool. I love this place. I'm actually now I'm brainstorming. Our grandson's having their birthday party here. So tell us a little bit. This is so cute. Like, she really has all the aprons and all the fun things for the kids to come in and have their own little party. What does that look like?
So this side of the party room is actually the second half of our cupcake factory. So how the cupcake factory works is you come in, we have 8 batters that you get to pour yourself, stick it in the oven, and watch your cupcakes bake. And then you come in here, you get to choose any 6 toppings. We give you an icing bag, and you come sit down at the table, and you just let your pastry chef come out.
Yeah. You don't have carpet in here.
Yes, no carpet. Yeah, it's all. These tables are easy to clean.
They would have to be.
Yeah. But it's a lot of fun, and we do classes every weekend, and we do kids camp and cookie decorating, cake decorating. I really want you guys to be involved and see what we've got going on. That's why all of our kitchens are open, and I want you to feel like you're walking into your granny's house and you see everything, and And that was my
behind
goal.
closed doors.
Yeah.
I do love that about your
Yeah.
bakery. You can come in and see them decorating. We'll walk around in a minute.
Yeah.
And then where they're actually baking and stuff too. And then you have this amazing outdoor area
Yes.
that you guys have built and put in
Yeah.
for people to come and hang out and
It's been so great.
have a cupcake or a
Yes.
edible cookie dough. I'm just saying.
Or a bottle of wine. You can have a bottle of wine on the patio. So
There you go.
yeah, we have a
I
beer
love
and
it.
wine section. You can just get a cold one and hang out with your dog too, because we also have dog treats that we sell. So
Okay, so now the pet owners know that this is a place you can come with your pet. I did
Yes.
actually see your little baggy things.
Yes.
That's genius. But this is so much fun.
yes.
And then you do a lot of commercial stuff with that too, but you do wedding cakes.
I do wedding cakes. We also do custom cakes. We have 88 different cake flavors. And
88?
we have 88, and all of them are on our website. So you can
Wow.
check it out and see all the fun
We'll be sure to
combos.
put a link on there for that.
Yeah.
Wow. Okay. But then all your fun
Yeah.
cakes and all the goodies that they have here in the case are even incredible too. So
Luckily, us being the first bakery in Celina, we were able to like really set the bar high.
a little bit.
Yeah.
Just a little bit high.
And give you the chance to have whatever you really want that's considered a bakery item. So
guys-
bread and everything.
You do a flavor of the month or something, I think I saw. Or
Flavor of the week, yeah, because
Flavor
we
of the
have
week.
so many.
Well, that's true. When you got 88, you kind of got to spread them out.
Keep going, keep
You
going.
use it twice in a year.
Yeah.
That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
Okay.
So it's
That's
fun.
awesome.
Yeah.
Well, cool.
Yeah.
So I'm telling everybody, like, it's all about shop local, eat local. We love downtown Celina. You're actually really close with a lot of the other business owners and
Yeah.
restaurants. I'm sorry, I cut you off earlier when you were
No.
saying that she has different cakes that you can actually purchase dessert at most of the restaurants here in downtown Celina.
Yeah.
So you get a little taste. They work together. What did you call it?
We're a champion community, so all of us business owners try to champion each other and find ways to collaborate, which I love. So
Another reason why we love Celina. I love hearing that. I've always felt that way about living here, but knowing that from other business owners is incredible. So come check it out.
there's Easter egg hunt. I have 3 Easter egg hunts depending on which window you look through. So if you're looking through this one, it's Top Gun themed, and all 3 of my ovens are Top Gun characters. So I've got Iceman, Maverick, and Goose because they were co-pilots, and Iceman was on his own. And then if you're looking through this window, you'll see it's Lion King themed. So it just depends on which angle you're hitting the kitchen. And then Pastry has Shrek. Every single one of my appliances has a Shrek sticker on it. So we have Fiona, Donkey, Lord Farquaad, and Gingy's our food processor. So if you're paying attention, it's one of those things. I did multiple Easter eggs, so every time you come in, you see something different. My license plate cover has cupcakes, and it says "For the love of Granny." So it's pretty, and I change our mantle decor every season. So right now it's 4th of July, and we do back to school, summer, all the things. So if you're paying attention, there's something new every time, and I just can't stay stagnant either. So we're
No. Well, that's Instagram stuff. It's stuff that keeps you relevant and talking about things.
Yeah, so
Awesome.
something else. If you're paying attention, you notice it. If you're not, you're not. So
Well, he's a big Top Gun fan. So
Here,
want
pick
all
up
the
your
things.
stuff. What's your,
Okay. Yeah.
What's your healthy,
So-
nutritious meal here?
I never said it was healthy. We are in a bakery,
Okay.
and I need to wake up. But look at the edible cookie dough. Yes, please. I want 5 of these.
Thanks so much for joining us. Thank you so much for letting us just pop in and
yeah, absolutely.
grab you out of the kitchen. She's probably like, I got stuff to do.
No, yeah. Thank you.
All right. Well, thanks so much for joining us.